Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about EK-QuantumX CoolingStation Monoblock for PlayStation 5. So friend, EK announced something entirely new and unique, a full-time monoblock for the Sony PlayStation 5, and friend, it is for PS5, covers the entirety of the PS5's PCB and cools all the critical components on the front and back of the PCB. This revolutionary monoblock for the PlayStation 5 stands as the background of the coolness amidst a sea of heated gaming sessions, and friend, from the SoC chip, GDDR6 VRAM, various controllers, and voltage regulation module to the integrated SSD NA and the memory chips, the SoC transfer heat via thermal paste, and other chips get their dedicated thermal paste to transfer heat to the monoblock, and friend, the sleek design, accompanied by mesmerizing RGB LEDs, is not merely a feast for their eyes but an expression of your unique taste in gaming gadgets, crafted with meticulous precision using state-of-the-art CNC machining technique. This monoblock features incapable accuracy and flawless finish, and friend, the installation process requires disassembling the PS5, taking out of the PCB and mounting it inside the monoblock. And friend, the EK-QuantumX CoolingStation Monoblock for PS5 is 2-1-piece sturdy reliable cooling solution that requires only two given by 4-inch connector fitting for proper operation within a liquid cooling loop. And friend, this monoblock features a PCB that converts the standard 2-pin DC power connector of the PS5 to dual 8-pin PCIe power connector on a PC power supply. A separate ATX standard PC power supply is required to power the water-cooled PS5. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at 449.90 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.